Hello dear friends, welcome back and good morning. Today in this video we're going to solve this problem of exponent and power. And the question of the day is if 3 raised to the power a minus 3 raised to the power a minus 2 is equal to 8, then find the value of a raised to the power a. Here first of all we have to find the value of a from the given equation. And then after that we can find the value of a raised to the power a. Now let us begin the solution. Given 3 raised to the power a minus 3 raised to the power a minus 2 is equal to 8. And by solving this equation, we have to find the value of a raised to the power a. Now, first of all, we have to simplify the second term, 3 raised to the power a minus 2. The second term is equal to 3 raised to the power a upon 3 raised to the power 2, because we know one rule of exponent and power, that is x raised to the power m minus n is equal to x raised to the power m upon x raised to the power n. So 3 raised to the power a minus 2 is equal to 3 raised to the power a upon 3 raised to the power 2. Now in the next line, it becomes 3 raised to the power a minus 3 raised to the power a upon 3 square is equal to 9. And this is equal to 8 in the right hand side. Again, there is 1 below this number. We have to find the LCM of 9 and 1 to find the difference of these two fractions. Their LCM is 9. And when we divide this 9 with this 1, the quotient is 9. And 9 into 3 raised to the power is 9 into 3 raised to the power a. Minus for the second term, when we divide 9 with 9, the quotient is 1. 1 into 3 raised to the power a is 1 into 3 raised to the power a. And this is equal to 8 in the right hand side. Now we have to find the difference of the numerator. So when we subtract 1 3 raised to the power a from 9 3 raised to the power a, the difference is 8 3 raised to the power a. There is 9 below this number and 8 in the right hand side. Now we can continue here. 8 into 3 raised to the power a upon 9 is equal to 8. Here we can cancel 8 with 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, and this gives 3 raised to the power a upon 9 is equal to 1. And there is 1 below this 1. Now we can cross multiply. 3 raised to the power a into 1 is 3 raised to the power a, and 9 into 1 is 9. So this gives 3 raised to the power a is equal to 9. Again we can write this 9 in the power form with base 3. So this gives 3 raised to the power a is equal to 3 raised to the power 2. And these two expressions are equal with same bases, so their exponents are also equal. This gives a is equal to 2. So this is the value of a. Now we have to find the value of a raised to the power a, which is equal to 2 raised to the power 2, and this is equal to 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. So this is the solution to this problem. So guys, this much for today, and thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, and also to drop your valuable comment in the comment section.